Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. In this week's programme, Tricia has the launch news and Eleanor looks at a new product launch from Talia. But first, WineGuard, a US manufacturer of rugged VSAT satellite communication systems, has received CTIC certification for its WX1200 and WX980 VSAT antenna systems and controllers from the Australian Communications and Media Authority. These VSAT systems are primarily deployed for remote oil and gas exploration locations, as well as on emergency, disaster recovery and satellite news gathering vehicles, tour buses and various types of trailers for maximum reliability in extreme environments. The Australian CTIC marking indicates the WineGuard products are compliant with ACMA regulations for electric and electronic products sold in Australia and New Zealand. It means that WineGuard VSAT products comply with applicable electromagnetic interference and electromagnetic compatibility requirements to protect the country's radio frequency spectrum. Eutelsat and One Access have joined forces to develop the first performance-enhanced platform for businesses designed to deliver services operated on Eutelsat's KA-SAT high-throughput satellite in a secure VPN environment. Set to launch this month and immediately available across KA-SAT's entire footprint, the new service makes satellite communications even more affordable for businesses by delivering DSL-like service at DSL-like prices. Talia and NewTek are pleased to announce the provision of a new satellite communications backbone infrastructure for AGSM.MOBI, a mobile operator in Somalia. Based on NewTek's Flex ACM technology, the network will enable reliable mobile voice, data and payment services throughout Somalia. The country is in the midst of a rapid economic and social change. With a population of more than 10 million, mobile connections have risen dramatically in the past 2 years to exceed 3 million connections. The AGSM.MOBI network will be hosted at the Talia teleport, and Talia will provide connectivity as a managed service, interconnecting with co-located AGSM.MOBI equipment. The satellite network will run over a fully redundant NewTek hub. Now here is Tricia with the launch news.
Both primary payloads for Vega's number 2 flight have arrived at French Guiana, positioning them for integration on the light lift launcher, which has marked another step in preparation for its mission in April from the spaceport. While Vega is taking shape at the spaceport, its Proba-V and VN RedSat-1A satellites have touched down in French Guiana. Proba-V will have an estimated mass at launch of 160 kilograms and will be operating in a sun-synchronous polar orbit after its deployment by Vega. This satellite will monitor global vegetation growth. The spacecraft carries a newly designed version of the vegetation instrument previously flown on the SPOT series of Earth observation satellites, which were also orbited by Arianespace. The VN RedSat-1A co-passenger on Vega is an optical observation spacecraft built by Astrium on behalf of the Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology. It is to support the Vietnamese government's initiative to create an infrastructure enabling better monitoring and studies of climate change effects, while also improving predictions and actions to prevent natural disasters and optimising the country's management of its natural resources. Joining them on the upcoming Vega mission is Estonia's first satellite, the 1.33 kilogram EST-1, being developed by students from Tartu University, the Estonian Aviation Academy, the Tallinn University of Technology and the University of Life Sciences, all work in conjunction with the Finnish Meteorological Institute and the German DLR Space Centre. Boeing recently shipped its fifth wideband global SATCOM satellite, which will provide the US Air Force with faster transmission of airborne intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance imagery to Cape Canaveral in Florida for this year's planned launch. Part of the upgraded Block 2 series, the satellite arrived at the Astrotech processing facility in Titusville on March the 9th and will undergo pre-flight checkout, fueling and integration to prepare for launch aboard a United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket. WGS-5 will join 4 other Boeing-built WGS satellites to provide warfighters with instant-secure worldwide connectivity. It features performance upgrades such as a switchable radio frequency bypass that sends imagery approximately 3 times faster than the data rates currently available to the US Department of Defense.
And here is Eleanor with news of Thoria's new product launch.
Thoria Telecommunications Company has announced the launch of Thoria IP+, the latest addition to its expanding portfolio of mobile satellite broadband terminals. Thoria IP+ is the fastest and lightest mobile satellite broadband terminal. Without compromising on portability, it is also designed to achieve the fastest IP speeds, ensuring quick and reliable access to broadband data services over Thoria's extensive satellite network. Enhanced capabilities facilitate a wide range of applications, including live high-quality video broadcasting, web browsing, email, social media communications, data transfer and VoIP applications, as well as access to corporate networks from remote locations. Thoria's Vice President of Marketing, T. Sanford Jewett, said, Thoria's expanding range of satellite broadband products are engineered to set a new standard for convenience and portability. With the launch of Thoria IP+, we have demonstrated our continued commitment to developing innovative broadband data products and robust mobile communication solutions to meet the demands of our diverse market segments. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.